Hey, business owners and marketers. Sandra here from AI Marketing Mastery. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools and free that any business can use for business growth. Google My Business, now called Google Business Profile. If you want your business to show up on Google Search and Google Maps, this is your ticket. So stay around and watch this video. Okay, so this is not complicated. I can break it down for you in 5 steps, but it is a must-have for any business that wants to get seen, especially in your local market. So let's break it down. The first thing you're going to need is a Google account. Now, I suggest you use a Google business account, not your personal account. This keeps things in the same account and more professional, and certainly makes it easier to access later on. Step 1, create a dedicated Google email account for your business. The second step is going to be to add your business. How do you do that? Go to Google Maps or search Google Business Profile and then click Add My Business. Or if you have something in there possibly already, Manage Now. Enter your business name and your industry. So they do give you a certain amount of choices. So pick the one that represents your business the best. You're going to have to choose whether you have a physical location where you serve your customers or online where you're operating remotely. The third step in the process is to now enter your information. Add your business address or service area. And I have to say, this is probably the most important with AI, that you designate some area in order to show up. You're going to add your contact information, your website, your hours of operation. And if you don't have a storefront, you can hide the address and just show the service region. Okay, step 4. Now this is where many of my clients and people I know that have businesses get a little messed up. This is the part where we verify your business. Google will ask you to verify your business in one of 3 ways: by mail, by phone, or by email. You can follow the instructions and confirm that you're the owner. And lastly, step 5, optimize your profile. Add a logo, photos, business description, your services, and your products that you sell. And, obviously how you serve the community in which you're serving. And from a marketer, stand out. Add your unique value proposition and let them know why you're different. The more you provide in this stage, the better chances you get of being seen. So go ahead, build out that whole profile. So once you have your Google profile, what do you do with it? You're going to be able to appear on Google Search and Google Maps. So when someone is asking for a service in your service area, you will pop up in that industry category or in the product sales category that you're in. Getting found by customers that are searching for your services and products in that area. Reviews. Now, we all know as business owners that we need reviews. People who have worked with us and can say nice things about us. These are gold, especially in communities. Collect and respond to customers' comments. It builds trust and authority in that industry. So, and it is an easy thing to do. Just have to take a little bit of time to do it. And your customers would appreciate it even more. And when someone comes to your profile to leave a review and sees that you comment on the review that's left, they feel valued. And that's what we really want. We want our customers to feel that we understand them, because we do, and that we value them, because we absolutely value them. This will build your reputation in your community as the caring business owner that you are. Your post and your updates. Very valuable. And again, it doesn't cost you any money to put these on. You know, of course, if you want to do an ad, go right ahead. It gets more reach and will get your business seen. What do you want to do in a post? Well, you want to share offers. You want to share events that you're having, any special deals, anything that directly affects your customer base and that your customers would be interested in. Because we don't want to build offers that nobody cares about. We want to build offers that our clients want and need and make them feel appreciated. Another way we can use our Google Business Profile is by adding a contact link. So this helps you build your email list, build your clientele, and have a conversation with the people in your community who want your services. And they don't just want the services, they want the services from you, because you've built a reputation and an image, and maybe you've done work for their neighbor or another business that they are working with, and they know your work, the level of skill that you have, and they want you. And that is what makes a loyal customer and builds your business. Another great part about the Google Business Profile, again, used to be Google My Business, is that you'll get insights and analytics as to the people who are looking at your profile. And then this will help you create marketing towards those people and in things that they are looking for, not just creating a product or a service, but creating a product and service that people want. And that is gold. I mean, why waste your time on something that people don't care about? You want to know what your customers and what your neighbors and friends care about, so that you can create specific things for them that will help them in their life or their business. Also, with insights in analytics, you now know what you're putting out into Google and how people are responding to it. And that's gold for your marketing and your market spend for your business. You can add your social media links, so you can bring people off of social media to your website, to your Google My Business reviews, but it gives them a way to do more than just hire you and get a great service or great product and then just move on. So you're able to capture some of the good things that you've created, that you've put out into the community and you've shared. And then this way, your customers can share that with others. You can also use the platform to showcase your products and services, listing exactly what you offer, your unique value proposition, and what makes you different from everyone else that may be offering a similar product or service, complete with photos and descriptions and maybe an event announcement where people can come and see you directly and talk about their projects or the things that they need in their life, which is marketing research and helps you build a better product or a better service. There is also a Q&A area on the Google profile. You can answer common customer questions publicly, saving you time and effort of answering the same question multiple times. The Google profile now offers AI-powered recommendations. Google is rolling out AI features to help match your business with customers. You gotta love Google, bringing them to you faster. So hopefully promoting your business in the community and bringing the people who really need your products and services directly to you. So in wrapping this up, Google profile is the fastest and easiest way to get eyes on your business and your website for free. Doesn't cost you anything except your time. So why wouldn't you open up this account? If you're not doing it, you're leaving money on the table. And we all work really hard, and we know that that's not our aim at all. Our aim is to be able to meet and help as many people as we can. Optimize your profile, keep it updated, and watch your local visibility grow. Seems like a no-brainer to me. What tool do you use? What works for you? Share with all of us. And, obviously we don't all live in the same community. So whatever information you put out here is only, to help you. And actually, if you give me a good one, I'll give you a shout out on my channel. You give me some good tips and I'll do a video on what you suggest. I'm always happy to help my local business owners. Write your comments. Let me know what works for you and what doesn't. And if this video was of value, you can also find a little checklist in the description box of the new, what used to be Google My Business is now Google Business Profile. And I'll do other videos when I know the AI is up and running and let you know how that works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, just stay happy.